If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. All right, so it's been a little bit of a sideways movement for Bitcoin right now, and just a little bit boring. It's kind of weird what we're doing right now because it seems like we're trying to make in this push up in a continuation pattern. Today is the last day of the week and we're looking for Monday to start actually. So let's talk about the next day. All right, so here we go. Bitcoin, I think there's a small retest that was really required, and that is to come down to nearly touch this trend line at $24,260 and just a small push down and then continue higher. So I do think during the Mondays and Tuesdays we could potentially see a little bit of that move down. Because the first days of the week, like Monday and Tuesday, there is going to be a small push down to make that weekly wick, and then from there try to move back up very quickly. So still the prices remain higher, 27,000 and everything. The last time I didn't talk about the weekly, and I think it's good to talk about the weekly. So look at the weekly here. Okay, we do have this trend line that you're breaking out of, and that's what I'm telling you. It moved a little bit of a small push down, just a very small push down. So the weekly is really interesting. The monthly is amazing, the weekly is amazing, daily is amazing. I don't even have anything bad to say. I mean, the excitement is back. So once again, the excitement is back. Maybe for a small while, okay, even if it's for a small while, but at least we have the excitement back in crypto. Because it's been a long, boring period of time, trust me. Everyone is dead done. Some people are just done with crypto, and yeah, that's just how the market is for a long time. Okay, it just goes down, stays boring. Remove the weak hand, check out the weak hands, and actually reward the diamond hands. You know what I'm talking about, right? So here we go. 2 touches right here, 1 touch right there, almost 2. So we do have 3 touches here. That's a very valid trend line, and you're breaking out the trend line. We're looking for a small push down to 24,274, which is a little bit down here. Could be even a little bit lower to 23,900, and then from there, I don't know if it's gonna be a very big huge green candle or just go a little bit slowly. That I cannot predict that, but we are meant to go up there. Whether you go slowly, if you do go slowly though, that would be actually good. It would be really good to go slowly. Now there's one more thing I think we have to talk about. Now if you do end up coming to 32,777 something, then you're ending breaking out of another resistance here, which we're going to talk about in the future, so which is 28,155. so coming up to 32,000 can cause Bitcoin to retrace a little bit lower to 28,000, and then from there still continue to $46,000. Don't get excited just yet. Okay, we gotta keep our realistic goals at the moment. Okay, even if, first of all, it's a big deal if we do end up going up to $32,000. So one thing is very clear: we don't want to come down to 21,306. Okay, before it was down to 20,400. That's even a dead end, but now it's actually this. And do you remember when we talked about this stalled candlestick pattern, which was bearish, and I told you, the retracement is going to happen? So we did have a little bit of that retracement as well. It was actually bearish, and we made some red candles, and now you've even broken out of the stalled candlestick pattern. So those bearish things on the weekly are even destroyed. Okay, so the market is not bearish at all in the short term, at least. Now we are looking for a move to the upside. That is given. That is absolutely given. Okay, so let's see. Again, it's probability, not very sure, but strong chances is my point. Actually, very strong chances now. And 21,306 is the stop loss that should be taken seriously right there. So that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.